Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Nesbeth has announced the release date for his debut album, Amen. The 12-track compilation is slated for an official release on October 26, but will be available for pre-order on all major digital platforms come September 28. The album is named after his late wife, Anne-Marie Elliott Nesbeth. Nesbeth is putting the final touches to the Amen album. The artist has also unveiled the official album cover art, along with the lyric video and a 30-second visual trailer for the first track, Remove My Enemies. The My Dream singer has expressed his hopes that the album will touch as many people as possible and make a lasting impact on a personal level.
Who knows what tomorrow brings? Glad that the finer things in life are free.
The album contains tracks about real-life issues, social commentary and topical matters presented in a clean and conscious manner. On the international scene, the 70th annual Primetime Emmys was held last night at the Microsoft Theatre in Los Angeles. Many TV actors, actresses, industry insiders and supporting crews were in attendance as the Saturday Night Live cast members Colin Jost and Michael Che hosted the luxurious affair. Popular television show Game of Thrones and the marvelous Mrs. Maisel were the night's biggest winners, gaining the top awards for Outstanding Drama Series and Comedy Series respectively. Among the talents that took home awards on Monday were African-American actresses Thandie Newton and Regina King. Newton was awarded Best Supporting Actress in a Drama Series for her work in Westworld, while Regina King was dubbed Outstanding Lead Actress in a Limited Series or Movie for her appearance in 7 Seconds. Also of note was the In Memoriam tribute, which opened with Aretha Franklin singing Amazing Grace. The tribute featured actors and actresses, other celebrities and TV royalty, including Anthony Bourdain, Hugh Hefner, Burt Reynolds, Della Reese, David Cassidy, and John McCain. Although the night was a hit among many, mostly winners, the popular award show was dampened with news of low ratings, with CNN and other media outlets reporting viewership for Monday's event being at an all-time low. The first trailer for Marvel's first female-led superhero film has been launched. Captain Marvel starring Brie Larson is the first female superhero movie from the Marvel conveyor belt. It features ex-pilot Carol Danvers, who gains superpowers after an accident and joins an intergalactic team called Star Force. The teaser for Captain Marvel debuted on US TV show Good Morning America this morning and gave viewers an action-packed look at Brie Larson in the title role.
Space invasion, big car chase. Truth be told, I was ready to hang it up till I met you today.
Captain Marvel also features Samuel L. Jackson in his regular movie role as Nick Fury, while Ben Mendelsohn plays the main baddie, an alien who is leading an invasion of Earth. Captain Marvel is due for release come March 7 next year in Australia and March 8 in the UK and the United States. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.